Hello, you guys. Welcome to Product Focus Friday. We are playing with Shimelle this month and tools. Last week we played with our scissors. So I used my Cutter Bee scissors, which are my favorite for fussy cutting, and we did some fussy cutting. And this week we're playing with punch boards. So I have 3 punch boards total. I have a pocket punch board, an envelope punch board, and a frame punch board. I feel like I don't play with them enough. So what I decided is I'm going to play it with my frame punch board because we can create a fun dynamic layout with that. So I sprayed this background to use to actually back a cut file that's coming up for a layout. And some of the cut file that I also sprayed stuck to it. I decided not to use it. So then what I did is I just grabbed this stencil. I think I got this from a Creative Cuts Club a few years ago. And I just put some, is this fossilized amber? Yes, maybe? I think so. Through the stencil just to create some little sunbursts, because I also have this title, Sweet Summertime. And I have these 2 photos. This is the company that would always come for our town's celebration days called Hay Days. Bring carnival and always the best, carnival junk food that you can imagine. And this was my son trying a deep fried Oreo for the first time, which stinks because the Oreo actually didn't get in the photo, but that's him trying it for the first time in the company. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do a layout with some frames, kind of more left centered. We'll stack some frames up and document that. So I'm going to get out my Shimelle and create a bunch of frames that would kind of go with this. I have lots of Shimelle paper, so we'll cut out a bunch of frames. I think we'll frame the photos as well, and we will start creating a layout. So let me get some frames punched out, and then we'll get back to you. We're there. So I just wanted to check in with you to show you what I was going to do. I've gone ahead and went through my 6x8 pad from Shimelle's field trip and picked out a bunch of papers that I'm going to make frames out of. So I'm going to try to do that one because I think that one would be really cool. And then this yellow one, a wood grain, the butterfly, this polka dot one, and then one of the frames I might fill with this. So I think I'm going to try and do 6 frames. 2 will have photos, 1 will have a journaling spot, and the 3 other, that's kind of the goal. Or it might be 7, and then 4 of them won't have anything in it. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. So at least now you have an idea of what I'm working with and my direction. I'm going to do all the frames really quick, and I'll get back to you. All right, so I got my frames all cut. I've got them glued down. I started going through my stash and what I have of Shimelle for embellishments, because I don't have a ton that isn't just florals. So I think I'm going to tuck this rocks. Oh, maybe I'll put that there. I'm just trying to play with, this is a Citrus Twist Puffy sticker. This is from Simple Stories. It's in my stash stuff here. I'm really liking the way this is looking though. It's super cute. I think we'll just stick the butterfly like right here, kind of to fill some of the frames, but not really. This is an ephemera piece from Shimelle, and that's actually a sticker from one of the sticker sheets. So I'm going to put that down. And because there is mixed media on here, it sometimes is hard to like glue down with just ATG. So I am trying to put a lot of wet glue on this stuff. I will journal in there. I like that. We're going to put this rocks in there to kind of break up that frame a little bit. And then this circle bird. This one blue enamel or puffy. I had one blue one left from this on her sticker sheet. I don't know why I only had one. Now I want to pop up that butterfly. I have some foam left over from something else. Butterfly by the butterfly frame. I want to cut the excess off because I think it's throwing my brain right now. I'm just kind of looking at it like something seems off and I want to make sure I get it balanced. So let me do that quick. Okay. Now we can look at it better, I feel like. Oh, I'm liking it though. I'm liking it, you guys. Did I glue this down? I don't think so, but I think it's on there pretty good. All right, let's see. Is there anything else? This is all space. I don't really want to put that down. Actually, this could work, Sunday chill, because it is a lot of times that it's a Sunday that we go up to do the rides. So it's very possible. I can look that up for sure, but I'm just going to put Sunday chill there on his head. And then that whole half of that sticker sheet is done. So I'm going to throw it away because I can, because it feels good. Oh, wait, there's one label. Oh, hey, I can use this. It'll just break up the butterfly spot. Yeah. I didn't realize there was a label there. So we're going to do that. I like that. That kind of breaks that up a little bit, that empty space. This breaks up that empty space. I feel like it's a little bit more balanced. Okay, make sure there's nothing else hidden on here. I don't think so, because those were all words. All right. Let me tell you, that feels good. That feels good. So yeah, I literally have just this space. I'm gonna put this out. And these two words left. So I'm also throwing this away because why not? Get it out of there. Okay, I don't think I'll be using the space or those words. Wrong drawer. Put those back. Let's see, puffy stickers. We can add this little circle purple one to here to bring the circle somewhere else. I don't think I want to do this. These were all fussy cut. Well, and a couple of ephemera pieces, I guess, from was it Glitter Girl? No, what is that one? Is it Glitter Girl? I don't remember. No. I think that looks good. I don't know about you guys, but I think it looks good. Maybe we can add, let's see. What can we add? Do I have any flair just sitting on my desk? That would work well. Or sequins. Ooh, we could maybe add flare there. And a flare there maybe. I have more flare. Those ones are on my desk. What about these little pieces? Little enamel shapes. Got a yellow one. And a green one. Oh gosh, they're gonna stick just enough that if I peel it up, it's gonna rip up stuff. Yep. Okay, so I guess it's going there. I guess that one's going there because they're down. So only got 3 of those left. What else we got in here that we can put on the page? I don't know if there's anything else. I would like just to add a few more circles around the page, do some of these flare. I kind of want to go dig in my stash though and find more of a solid, so that would work. use these buttons up. I could put these butterflies elsewhere. To have a couple more butterflies. And tuck these purple flowers in, just to add a little purple around. That would be cute. I don't know about this butterfly here though. There, almost instead of that. But I like that bird. I like the Boyd, but that would be good. Use up those. All right, let me go add my flare. All sorts of things. Yeah, I want more of like a, or if we do like a pink, or like a yellow. A yellow would be good, maybe, to bring some yellow down here. Yeah, actually, that would be good. Okay. And then I've got circle elements kind of everywhere. Already kind of glued this guy down, but I can peel him up and tuck this flower under there. These were just like extra goodies that are some, like, okay, so if you ever order from Citrus Twist, they always throw in the box like all these lovely extra goodies, and it's so fun. So I highly recommend, if you've never ordered from them, well, one, because their products are amazing, but it's so fun to get the little extra goodies that they have. Let's see, I had some squares at one time that fit perfectly in my flare. I think I used them all up, but I have these now, but I have to cut them in half because I don't think they quite fit inside. No. So these are Flare from Dottie About Flare. Yeah, I want to add this. Or do I just leave the butterfly? No, I need something. I need something. One there. Put it up there. All right, I'm going to cut some more foam down and get these butterflies all stuck down. I'm going to emboss it out. And then I will journal, and I will be back to do any finishing touches that we think we need. All right? All right, I got my journaling down. I got all those things glued down. And then I have some of these puffy just dots in yellows and these turquoise color that should work really well to add to the layout. So we're just gonna do that. Add a few here and there. Maybe add a green. Blue in the middle of that flower. kind of even out some of the space that seems to be taken up. Maybe a purple. Make sure some of the colors are balanced throughout the layout. The clusters are kind of just all over the place, but so is the layout, so it kind of fits. All right. And there you have it. I have the most random things I feel like put on this, but I kind of like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.